Steps of solution. What are the steps of solution we have to follow? Number one, simplify given quadratic equation. Okay, when you are using discriminant. So first of all, you will simplify your given quadratic equation. Step number two, x square terms will be written together. X terms will be written together, and at last constant terms will be written together. Okay, step number 3, whatever is written with x square will be denoted by small a. Okay, next, whatever is written with x will be denoted by b, right? And all constants which are without variable x, all constants will be denoted by c. Okay, value of a, b and c will be plotted in b square minus 4ac, will be plotted in b square minus 4ac, which is your discriminant, and will be solved to find nature of root, and if discriminant is given, if they would have already told us that what is the discriminant coming, so we will use it, then value of unknown in b square minus 4ac will be found. These are the steps which we are going to follow when we are going to talk about Choosing discriminant. These are the steps which we are going to use to solve our question. Question number 1 of exercise 4.2. Okay, they are saying use discriminant to find nature of roots. Okay, they are saying that you have to use discriminant to find nature of root. If roots are real, then find roots. If roots are real, then you are going to find roots over there. Okay. C part is saying 3x square equals to 8x plus 3. Okay. 3x square equals to 8x plus 3. This is my question. They are saying use discriminant to find nature of root. First of all, I am going to find out that what will be the nature of root. There are three natures. Okay. Either there will be no root. Secondly, there will be repeated roots. Thirdly, there will be two different answers or two different roots. Okay. So I am going to figure out what will be the value over there. Okay. So according to the steps of solution which I have explained to you earlier, what you are going to do, you are going to arrange your equation. That is the first thing you are going to do. 3x square minus 8x minus 3 equals to 0. I have simplified my given quadratic equation. Okay, that is my first step. Step number 2, x square terms should be written, then x terms should be written, and then constant should be written. Over here, I have got single terms, so it doesn't make any difference. Okay. After that, whatever is written with x square will be considered as a. Whatever is written with x will be considered as b, and whatever is considered with this one whatever is written with x square, that will be written as a with sign. Whatever is written with x, that will be written as b with sign. And whatever is constant, that will be mentioned as c. Okay, so I have plotted my ABC. After that, in the next step, what I have told you, that once you have got the value of ABC, put it in b equals to b square minus 4ac. This is called your discriminant. B square minus 4ac. I have got value of A, value of B, value of C. I am going to plot it over here. So value of B is minus A whole square minus 4. Value of A is 3. Value of C is minus 3 equals to discriminant. Minus 8 whole square is 64. Minus minus plus 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Okay. So when I am going to simplify it, my discriminant is coming 100 over here So now my discriminant is coming equals to 100. Okay, discriminant is coming equals to 100. There are three cases for discriminant: lesser than 0, equals to 0, greater than 0. My discriminant is right now coming equals to 100, which means that it is greater than 0. Okay, discriminant is coming equals to 100, which is greater than 0. When discriminant is greater than 0, in your book on page number 73, they have given us that it will have real, distinct roots. It will have real, distinct roots. Means the roots will be real, no imaginary number. Distinct means two different roots answers. So I will have real different answers. Okay. Now, after that, what they have said, if roots are real, then find roots. If roots are real, then find roots. My working till this point is saying that roots are real. For what? Roots are real for this equation. Roots are real for this equation. So now I have to find roots. Finding roots means finding the value of variable in the given equation. So 3x square minus 8x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. Now, what will I do? 3x square minus 8x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. Now, what I am going to do over here, I have to get the value of x. So, there are two ways to solve it to get the value of x. One is you can use middle term breaking. The second thing is you can use quadratic formula. So I am comfortable with middle term breaking, so I am going with middle term breaking. 3 into minus 3 will be minus 9. Okay, 3 into minus 3 will be minus 9, or if you don't want to take sign, don't take sign. 3 into 3 is 9. So now I have to make the factors of 9, which can make 8. So first thing I can have 3 into 3. Okay, I can have this one. So minus 3 into 3. Okay, then I can also have 9 into 1. Either this can be a factor or this can be a factor. Now 3 into 3. By adding or subtracting these two, I can't make it 8. By adding or subtracting these two, I can't make it 8. Now 9 and 1. If I will subtract 9 minus 1, I can have 8 over there. So I'm going to use these two as my middle term breaking over here. So 3x square minus, in place of 8, I'm going to write 9 minus 1, x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, but don't solve it, just expand it. So 3x square minus 9 into x minus plus x minus 3 equals to 0. Simplify it. 3x common, x minus 3 plus 1 common, x minus 3 equals to 0. So x minus 3 and 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. x equals to 3 or x equals to minus 3. These are the two roots of x which I am getting right now when I have solved my given equation. When I have solved my given equation, these are the two values of x I am getting, okay, which is according to this thing. When I have taken discriminant, when I have found the nature, when I have found the nature of the answer, they were saying that you will have real answer and you will have two different answers. Distinct roots, different answer. Distinct means different, roots means answer. So when I have solved the value of x, see, I am getting two different answers over here. One is x equals to 3, one is x equals to minus 1 over 3. These are two different answers according to my given nature, which I have found over here.